So this question says to solve the system of equations by the substitution method. Okay, so the substitution method, we want to get one of the variables isolated first. Okay, so when I'm doing this, I want to check to see if I have one of the variables by itself. In this case, I do. I have x equals 5y minus 12. So what I like to do is I like to put the 5y minus 12 in a box. And then because this is what x equals, I go into the second equation and I'll put a parenthesis around the x. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this second equation, but instead of the x, I'm going to put what x equals, right, which is 5y minus 12. All right, then I have the minus 4y equals 3. So we rewrote the second equation. Instead of the x in parentheses, I put what x equals. This is 5y minus 12. So now what we have is we have an equation that only has y's in it, so we can solve it. So we're going to solve like we did at the beginning of the year. I'm going to distribute 5 times 5y is 25y. 5 times negative 12 is negative 60. I'm going to bring down the minus 4y equals 3. Okay. Next, I'm going to combine like terms. 25y minus 4y is 21y. Bring down the minus 60 equals 3. And continue solving. I'm going to add 60. So 21y is equal to 63. Then divide by 21. And y is equal to 3. Now, our answer has to be written as an ordered pair. So we need an x value and a y value. Right now, we only have the y value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this value and I'm going to come back up to my original equation because we know that x equals 5 times y minus 12. So we're going to say x equals 5 times, and instead of y, because y is equal to 3, we're going to say 5 times 3, which is 15. 15 minus 12, which is 3. So my answer, written as an ordered pair, is 3, 3. So when we type it in, we have to use parentheses. Otherwise, it won't count it correct.